Okay, so now I got to build my simple app. I'm going to be doing a lot of like image searching here. First, I want a picture of human. Okay, well, there's a picture of human. Just Google searched it in the image search. Sometimes I like to open the image in a new page, so I get the full image. And then I gotta name it something so I remember what it is. Okay, and here, pull out an image. You guys know how to do this by now, hopefully. Choose the image, upload the file, it's on the computer here. There it is. Choose it. Okay, it's kind of small, so let's make it bigger. Human. All right. I need some kind of title that says human quiz. Oh, and I had another idea, which was to have people put in their name. So I'll try that. First, I'm going to put label the text. Oh, I gotta. This is called the human quiz. Okay, I'm going to make it much bigger. Oops. I want the text to be bigger, not just the box. There we go. Make that like 50. I don't like Arial. I want something different. Maybe Palatino. I'm not sure about gray. Maybe like kind of a light blue is kind of cool. Oh no. Yeah, sure. Why not? Okay, it says text. I wanted to say text. I wanted to say human quiz. Maybe that size is not right. Let's check. I wanted to go to fill the space there. Dagnabbit. Can't drag and drop. Okay, whoa! Where'd it go? I lost it. That sucks. Well, that's okay. I can just bring it back out there. Let's call image one image human. Oh, that's true. We could also have like some kind of default theme. It's kind of go with the cucumber theme. Okay, well in that case, I want like a different label. Nope. What did I do there? Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see. Now I want it to be bigger, of course. Sure, we can do Verdana. About 36. 44. Okay. And again, we're going to call it human quiz. Let's see if this works this time. No. Human quiz width. There we go. Height. Make it a bit tighter there. Okay. There's my human quiz. And text input. Placeholder Your name. Maybe not quite so wide. Moving it around. Okay, your name, and then begin. Get a begin button. Begin. Big. Okay. Let's see. Your name. Let's make sure we name the elements so that we remember what they are. So button is button begin, and your name is input name, something like that. Name. Okay. Okay, now I gotta do some kind of way to link the code to what I want to do. But maybe I should build some of my screens first. So let's build a new screen. This is screen 2. I'm gonna stay with the cucumber theme, and we're gonna add a label. And it's label fastest. Text who is fastest. And I'm going to make it size. Nope. Darn it. This, again, I did the same thing. It's the font size down here. That's what makes it the text big. Who is fastest? Okay. Let's make it, that's the position, but the height and width. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger like that, and then this is going to be longer, of course. Who is fastest? Not enough space. Okay, well, I need 2 lines, I think. But then if I need 2 lines, I don't want it to be aligned left. I want it to be aligned to center. So it looks better. Who is fastest? And now I need some pictures. Okay, we'll call this fastest 1. I just duplicated it there so that it would be the same size and everything. Fastest 2. No, shoot, I don't have enough space. Let me move it up a little bit. Okay, fastest 2. This is, I want this to be fastest 3. And duplicate again so that I get 4 pictures. Fastest 4. Okay, now I gotta find images, of course, to put in these of people who are fast or not very fast. Let's start with the right answer is Usain Bolt. Trying to play soccer now, but he's still very fast. Okay. All right, so save the image. Yep, just save it there in my downloads, and then go back, put it in, choose. And you see, it's going to take some time, but you guys have time. You got until Friday to do this project. All right. Let's see. I don't like the fact that it's not filling the picture. How do I fit? Okay, fit, fill. Let's do that. Okay. Oh, it stretched it out though. That was weird. Cover. Maybe that's better. Normally we should be able to, yeah, maybe what I want to do instead of doing that is I want to go and just edit my picture a little bit. And so I can make it a square. Let's see, let's go. So these guys are 145 by 140. Okay, so if I go to my picture, and you may or may not be able to do this with your with your computer. What you can do is you can just take a screenshot, and there you can see the little numbers, and you can do something that is roughly square. So 530 534 times by 538. Okay, that's square, roughly square. And so then when I go in here, I gotta choose that picture now. That's in a different place. So when I take a screenshot, it goes somewhere else. You got to know a little bit about your screenshots if you want to do it this way. Otherwise, you can also just edit the image in your whatever your program is. You can do it with your iPad just by taking a screenshot and then changing the size of the image. Okay, let's get some more pictures here. How about Mbappe? It's pretty fast, not that fast, but we're in France now, so we got to get a picture of Mbappe. There we go. It's a good picture. Mbappe is always getting injured. Okay. Save the image. Yep, Mbappe. And then bring it in there. Oh wait, before I do that, I want to edit it so it's square. This I'll show you another way of editing here for the second one. I'm going to do it with preview. It's the French word for preview. And if you have a teacher handy who's got one of their MacBooks, then they all have this program on it. It's pretty handy. And here again, you can see the numbers in the lower right. And if the numbers are the same, then you're going to have a square, right? So let's see, 3240. I want the length to be about 3240 or 31. Okay, they're getting close. 3167, 3160. Okay, but I want more of the close-up on the face, so I'm going to kind of go diagonally in. I'm being pretty exact about this. Of course, you can also just eyeball it. Okay, but I want his face centered. All right, there we go. Okay, and then this is to crop it, right? Okay, so there we go. We got Mbappe loaded up. It's in my downloads. There it is. Okay, and that's how I'm going to build out all of the pictures here. I'm not going to make you watch me do it all. Okay, so I finished my fastest screen. I got Mbappe, Usain Bolt. This is Elaine Thompson. She might be the fastest woman in the world. And then this is Rashid Mostard is the fastest player in the NFL. But out of the four, probably Usain Bolt is the fastest. So I also had a key time saving here, which is when I click on the screen. Okay, and I named my screen fastest. Maybe I should call it screen fastest, so it's easy to remember that that's a screen. I just press duplicate. Okay, press duplicate, and then I get another screen exactly like that, and then this screen I can use when I want to do my next part of the quiz, which is going to be like I think I said who is oldest. Who is oldest? Okay, and label oldest, and what did I want to do with this screen? Oh yeah, I just named the screen screen oldest. You can always see your screens in your thing here in your drop down. Okay, so that's a key time saver. Now I want to think about how I'm going to link my buttons and stuff to what I want to happen. Okay, so on event, click a link below to add a function. Let's insert and show code. Okay, so on event button begin click. Okay, so on event, I want it to go to the screen. All right. So I'm in the code section here. You can upload images. Wait, you're not doing it. Oh, I'm not doing any programming yet. I'll start that in lesson 8. Oh, okay. I don't have to do that yet. I just have to build the screens. Okay, that's fine. Let's go back to design mode. Let's keep designing. Okay, so now I've got my 3 screens. So who is fastest and who is oldest, which is basically the same screen. I just changed the pictures. You got Mr. Manya here, and you got me. Maybe we're older than you think we are, but not sure if we're the oldest in this group. Okay, so hopefully you can do those that start there to your app. Of course, your app can be different than mine as long as you have a plan for how it's going to work and how the buttons are going to work. And we'll get some more screens. I'll show you some more screens later on in the week. Okay, have a good day.